1. In nature, nothing is perfect, and everything is perfect. To me, a lush carpet of pine needles, or spongy grasses, more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. Choose only one master nature. To forget how to dig the earth and to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. Everything in nature invites us constantly to be what we are. The earth has music for those who listen. If there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. They belong to those that love them, although we say mountains belong to the country, actually. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. The earth laughs flowers. Even the smallest act of caring for another person is like a drop of water. It will make ripples throughout the entire pond. Keep your face to the sun and you will never see the shadows.